wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Zakwan Hakim, UDE 220104. Today, my group will be presenting about Redtone and Telekom Malaysia. Redtone is a Malaysian telecommunication business. When Redtone was first established in 1996, it offered integrated telecommunications service. Its product line has grown over time to encompass a variety of telecom points such as managed service, data, and voice. The organization prides itself on being a top supplier of digital infrastructure and solutions, serving both government and corporate customers. Redtone also provides service to a wide range of industries, including energy, healthcare, transportation, and telecommunications. Redtone has a built competence in field including Internet of Things, which is IoT, cloud computing, cybersecurity, and data analytics by putting an emphasis on innovation and technological advancement. Because of this, the business has been able to maintain a competitiveness in the quickly changing telecom market. In other hand, Telekom Malaysia Berhad, or simply known as TM, is a Malaysian telecommunications company which is founded in 1984. Beginning as a national telecommunications company for fixed line, radio, and television broadcasting services, it has also evolved to become the country's largest provider of broadband services, data, fixed line, pay television, and network services. TM ventured into the LTE space with the launch of TM Go, its 4G offering. TM's 850 MHz service was rebranded as Unify Mobile in January 2018. Its origins can be traced to the British colonists who integrated Malaysia's postal and telegraph service in the early 1900s. With its products Streamix and Unify, TM currently holds a 90% market share in the fixed broadband industry and is the leading provider of fixed telephone services. Overall, Telekom Malaysia Berhad, which is TM, plays a vital role in Malaysia's telecommunications and digital landscape, providing essential connectivity and innovative solutions to individuals, businesses, and government agencies across the countries.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Arif Azmi bin Asmadi. My band 6 number is UDA 220063. So, I will continue the presentation for financial Redtone company. Based on statement profit loss for Redtone, annual revenue for Redtone's company is RM 217,828 million annually, represent the total income generated from all resources. Before any expenses are deducted, total comprehensive income for the period is RM 15,441 million. Reflect the company's net earning after all expenses, taxes, and others comprehensive income items earning per share. So next, comprehensive income RM 7.87 ringgit indicate the portion of a company's profit allocated to each outstanding share of common stock. This is important, very important metric for assessing the company's profitability. So next we go to financial ratio. Okay, for the ratios, liquidity ratio measure the ability to company to pay off short-term liabilities. Current ratio for the return is 2.4 times. Asset test ratio for Redtone is 2.61 times. Redtone have a stronger liquidity position and better to pay off short-term liabilities without relying inventory. So, we go to efficiency ratio. An efficiency ratio measure a company's ability to use its asset to generate income. For example, an efficiency ratio often looks at a various aspects of the company, such as the time it takes to collect their payable from customer, or the amount of time it takes to convert inventory from the cash. For financial ratio for Redtone, is inventory turnover ratio equal to 5 518. This is for inventory turnover ratio. So next we go to account receivable turnover ratio, because this is very very important for company to control their account receivable from customer. Okay, first for the Redtone company, account receivable turnover ratio is 159 days to their collect account receivable from the customer. Next is leverage ratio. A leverage ratio is any one of several financial measurement that assesses the ability of a company to meet its financial obligation. A leverage ratio might also be used to measure company mix of operating expenses to get an idea of how change in output will affect operation income. Financial ratio for debt ratio is for Redtone is 14%. Debt to equity ratio is 66%, and time interest earned ratio is 22.31. The last is profitability ratio. Profitability ratio assess a company ability to earn profit from its sales of operation, balance sheet asset, or shareholder equity. They indicate how the efficiency a company generates profit and value for shareholder. This is quite important because to know how to generate profit and value for shareholder. Okay, we go to gross profit margin ratio. For Redtone, gross profit margin ratio is 96%, and net profit margin ratio is 23%. This is good for a company. And return on asset ratio is 17%. And last, return on equity ratio is equal to 0.23. Net income available to common shareholder, common equity. So I will conclude my part for financial Redtone financial report is the financial performance showcase significant revenue generation, strong total comprehensive income indicating robust profitability, passive earnings per share, reflecting good return for shareholder. So that's all for me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Aiman bin Muhammad Rafai. Matric number UDE 220091 will be presenting regarding Telekom Malaysia. Based on Telekom Malaysia's income statement, the company's annual operating revenue of 12,255,600,000 indicates the total earnings generated from its primary business activities. This figure reflects the company's financial health and market performance by showcasing the income derived from its main operational sectors. Telekom Malaysia's profit after tax and zakat amounts to 1,885,000,000, signifying the net earnings retained after fulfilling its tax and zakat responsibilities. This residual profit is a key indicator of the company's financial efficiency, profitability, demonstrating its ability to generate substantial returns even after covering all mandatory financial obligations. Earnings per share for the company, measured in cent, represents the portion of the company's profit allocated to which outstanding share of common stock. With total earnings of 48,900,000, EPS provides investors with a metric to gauge the profitability and financial health of the company on a per share basis. An efficiency ratio measures the company's ability to use its assets to generate income. For example, an efficiency ratio often looks at various aspects of the company, such as the time it takes to collect cash from customers or the amount of time it takes to convert inventory to cash. Telekom Malaysia's inventory turnover ratio of 9.07 times reflects efficient inventory management. while its 218-day account receivables turnover ratio indicates the average time taken to collect payments. Both of these metrics are key indicators of operational efficiency, liquidity, crucial for assessing the company's financial health. So, in conclusion, Telekom Malaysia's metrics they exhibit inferior performance compared to those of Redtone company. So that is all from me. Thank you and assalamualaikum.
So next, I will explain about non-monetary analysis for Redtone and TM. The first one is market trends. Market trends for Redtone, the first one is focus on enterprise solution. Redtone has traditionally catered to corporate client, offering a range of service tailored to their needs. Market trends may indicate an increasing demand for enterprise solutions such as cloud service, cybersecurity, and IoT connectivity. Redtone could capitalize on this by enhancing its portfolio in these areas. The second one is competition from established players. In the telecommunication industry, competition is fierce with both local and international players for market share. Redtone may share challenges from larger, more established competitors, especially as they continue to invest in expanding their network and services. Third one is digital transformation. As business in Malaysia and globally undergo digital transformation, there is a growing need for reliable and efficient telecommunication infrastructure and services. Redtone may benefit from this trend by offering solutions that enable business to adapt and thrive in the digital age. The last one for Redtone is regulatory environment. Changes in the regulatory landscape can significantly impact telecommunication companies. Keeping abreast of regulatory development and assuring compliance is essential for Redtone to navigate any changes effectively. So next I will explain about Telekom Malaysia, which is TM market trends. The first one is customer behavior. Understanding shifting customer preference and behavior is crucial for telecommunication companies. Analyzing trends in usage patterns such as increased demand for streaming service, remote work solutions, and online gaming can help Telekom tailor its service to meet evolving customer needs. The last one is 5G rollout. The deployment of 5G technology is a significant trend in the telecommunication industry. TM may have been involved in the rollout of 5G network, which could impact its market position and revenue stream. That is for market trend. Next is industry regulation. Industry regulation is for Redtone. The regulatory landscape in Malaysia shapes how Redtone operates. By complying these regulations set by MCMC, PDPA, and NCSA, Redtone ensures a fair and competitive market, high quality service for its customer, and robust data privacy and security practice. This focus on regulatory compliance allows Redtone to operate effectively, gain customer trust, and achieve sustainable growth in the telecommunication and digital infrastructure service industry. The next industry regulation is for Telekom Malaysia, also known as TM. It's one of the largest telecommunication companies in Malaysia and is subject to the same regulation as other telecommunications operators in Malaysia. Specific regulation that apply to TM includes licensing, spectrum and allocation, quality of service standard and competition policy. For example, TM must obtain license from MCMC to provide service and may need to acquire spectrum license to operate wireless service. TM must also comply with MCMC's quality of service standard and may be subject to regulation aimed at preventing anti-competitive behavior. That's all for industry regulation and market trends. So I will pass to the next person.
Competitive analysis. Competitive analysis for Redtone and Telekom Malaysia has 4, which is market presence, service offered, customer satisfaction and financial performance. The market presence for Redtone is focusing on corporate and enterprise solution. The market presence for Telekom Malaysia is They are one of the largest telecom companies in Malaysia with nationwide coverage. After that, the service offered. The service offered for Redtone is specialized in managed network services, cloud solution, IoT, and enterprise telecommunication. The service offered for Telekom Malaysia is broad range including fixed line telephony, broadband which is unified, mobile, and enterprise solution. Other than that, financial performance. Financial performance for Redtone, they may have focused financially performance particularly in enterprise solution. The financial performance for Telekom Malaysia is typically reports higher revenue and profits due to its size and diverse services. And the last one is customer satisfaction. The customer satisfaction for Redtone is reputation varies depending on service quality and reliability in the corporate sector. The customer satisfaction for Telekom Malaysia is historically faced criticism but has been improving customer service and reliability.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Alif bin Abdul Rauf. My matrix number is UDE 220089. Today I'm going to talk about the comparison between two companies to see which one is better for investment. For the Redtone's statement profit and loss, the revenue appears to have declined by 25% from the year 2021. This indicates a potential downturn in their business activities. Despite the revenue decline, profit from the operation and profit after tax remain stable. For Telekom Malaysia, statement profit loss revenue appears to increase by 12% compared to the same period in the previous year, which is 2021. This indicates a strong demand for their service and potential successful business. Investing in Redtone over Telekom Malaysia could offer a better financial prospect due to Redtone's focus on high growth area like IoT and managed telecommunication service. Its agility and potential.
Company strategies and initiative. For Redtone and Telekom Malaysia, we have 4. And the strategies and initiative for Redtone, the first one is market share expansion. They are target growth in data centers and cloud services. The second one is geographic expansion. They explore new markets within Malaysia, focusing on underserved areas. The third one is service quality. Improve network reliability, speed, and reduce disruption. The last one is personalized offers. They implement targeted promotion and loyalty program to boost engagement. And the strategies and initiative for Telekom Malaysia, the first one is service quality enhancement. They invest in minimizing downtime, improving network reliability, and upgrading infrastructure. The second one is customer experience initiative. They introduce self-service option, optimize support processes, and gather feedback. The third one is technological innovation. They invest in research and development for new products, faster internet, and advanced communication solutions. The last one for Telekom Malaysia is data security and privacy. They prioritize investments in data security, encryption, and privacy policies.
In comparison, I chose Redtone over TM, which is Telekom Malaysia. This is because Redtone makes more profit when compared to TM. Other than that, Redtone highlights the business ability to overcome adversity and adjust to changing market conditions while generating long-term for its stakeholders. In conclusion, Redtone and TM each play vital roles in Malaysia's telecommunications sector, driving connectivity and digital information through their unique strategies and strengths. Redtone's niche focus and technological innovation complements TM's market leadership and broad service offerings, collectively enhancing Malaysia's digital landscape. That's all from us. Thank you.